Hey guys, in this video I'm going to do a quick speed and camera comparison between the new Galaxy A5 2016 edition here versus the Galaxy A5 2015. So we're going to find out how much faster the new Galaxy A5 2016 edition is, how much improved camera it has, and all that. So let's just first quickly boot both of these two phones at the same time. So you can see the new logo there. Also, we do get a faster chipset here, a much better chipset, which is the Exynos 7580 octa-core. So you can see here, very fast. I already did a comparison review between these two phones. You can check them out. Check that out on my channel. So you can see here, faster in terms of booting up. So we do get Lollipop on both of these two phones. So I believe this one comes with 5.1.1 and this one comes with 5.0.2. So first off, we're gonna do a quick little apps opening test here. So I have cleared up everything in the background, so there's no app opened up. So let's see here. Okay, so both of these two phones have 2 GB of RAM. I'm getting some notifications here. I'm just gonna close it and time to do a quick test here. So first of all, I'm gonna launch Temple Run. Here we go. Let's see here. So you can see here, very fast performance there on the A5 2016. No thanks. Let's go back and launch Play Store. Okay, my mistake. 1, 2, 3, go. Then you can see A5 2016 finished off first. Obviously, both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. We do have Subway Surfer. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's see here, and you can see great speed. Let's see who's gonna finish first. Okay, so you can see here A5 2016 did finish off first. Nice improvement there. WhatsApp, that was faster here on the A5 2016 slightly. Let's see what else. Twitter, here we go. Again, you can see that was pretty close actually. Let's open up Viber. That is faster here, much faster on the A5 2016. So you can see we do get improvement overall on the new A5 compared to the last one. And if we open up camera, and that was also almost equal. So you might not see here in terms of basic application, but this phone is much faster, especially in terms of gaming. So this one, the Snapdragon 410, if you remember, had very poor quality in terms of gaming. This phone can't handle Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, so now the new A5 2016 can handle this game at about max settings. So I might do a comparison side by side of gaming also. So let's go ahead and do a quick browser test. So I'm going to be using Google Chrome on both of my phones here. So I'm going to launch Google Chrome here, and then we're going to take a look at the multitasking performance also. So I want to clear up all the okay, let's see here, all the private history and all that stuff. And I'm launching the browser here for the first time on my A5 2015 here, so I don't have to clear up the browsing data here. So let's see. So overall, I'm really impressed by the new A5 here, type of improvements and all that we have. So let's see here. First of all, we're gonna open up WWE.com. It's a wrestling website, of course, WWE.com. Here we go. See here which one will be faster. And you can see slightly faster performance here on the Galaxy A5 2016. That is pretty nice. Let's open up some links. Okay. And again, you can see slightly faster on the A5 2016 here. Let's go back and launch any other website, phonearena.com. It's a nice tech website. See here, and you can see again A5 2016 finished off first, slightly faster again. Let's open up another link, and I think this one was slightly faster, A5 2015 there. So close performance in terms of browsing. Let's see what else we do have. Goal.com here. Let's go. I mean, I'm using Google Chrome browser because a lot of people actually use Chrome browser instead of the internet browser that we have. So again, you can see slightly better performance there on the A5 2016. We can also open up some links exactly at the same time. So Liverpool right to pull plug on whatever. Let's open it up, and you can see A5 2015. Open the link first, but let's see here, this one finished off first with the content. So yeah, overall you get much better performance with the new A5 2016 as compared to the A5 2015 here. Let's see here, if we talk about the multitasking, let's open up Temple Run that we first launched, and you can see both phones kind of loaded that up again. Let's see here, Subway Surfer, and again both phones kind of refreshed that. So again, WhatsApp, that was open first here on this one, A5 2015. So wow, this one is actually performing better in terms of the RAM performance or multitasking performance. Let's see here what else we have. Gunfu, and that is refreshed on both phones. So like I said, this is some kind of issue going on. It will be fixed in the Marshmallow update. You know, in order to conserve more battery, Samsung uses this technique here, and you can see here, I think that was loaded fine on the A5 2015. I think, you know, I'm not saying that this phone is not capable. This phone is much more capable now compared to the last year's A5, but still you can see they kind of, you know, have this RAM battery increasing thing here. So okay, that loaded fine. So most recent applications will be opened up just fine, but you know, applications that you opened up, you know, like 8th or 9th application, then you will see a refresh. Let's see here, Google Chrome, and that is again a refresh on both phones. So overall, you know, from the Galaxy S6 to the Galaxy A3, all the Samsung phones have this RAM issue. If you just use Instagram and WhatsApp and Facebook, or you know, more just up to 4 apps, then you will not going to see any problem. But if you open up like 8 apps, like if you are doing gaming, multiple gaming, so I mean, in speed test videos we have to show you guys the full potential of a phone, but overall, for a normal user that just uses up to 4 apps like WhatsApp, Viber, and all those, you're not going to notice a big difference. So let's go ahead and talk about the camera. Now the camera is 13 megapixel with LED flash on both phones, and also on the front we get 5 megapixel on both phones. So basically on paper it looks like they haven't changed anything, but in reality they changed a lot. First of all, if we open up the camera application here, they changed the UI. First of all, you get more features now. You also get this nice little exposure control, which is absent on the last year series. We also get a bigger sensor size, which is going to help the phone in terms of more better low light performance. You also get optical image stabilization for video recording. Obviously this phone still sports up to 1080p, no 4K, but still you get more of a stabilized video performance as compared to the last year, which just had the digital image stabilization. And you know, if you take a look at the modes, we now have a pro mode where we can you know, check out this stuff like ISO and white balance. We can you know, change that. So it's just a much more awesome experience in terms of features. So we get more and more awesome features here. We also do have a HDR mode, which is, you know, where you can capture photos and get more quality out of it. But personally I haven't seen any difference in just auto mode and the HDR mode, because you know, HDR mode, if you turn on the HDR mode, you're going to have the camera megapixels up to 8. So yeah, there's not a big difference in terms of HDR and a normal picture. So yeah, if we talk about the overall picture quality, both phones performed really good overall in terms of the outdoor quality. You'll see some big differences when it comes to the indoor shots, getting a little bit more light on the A5 2016. So you get a better camera, but you have to remember that this phone, the A5 2016, is not like a big update when it comes to the camera. Okay, sure, they did included some features there, but it's not overall a big update in terms of camera. It's more of a update in build quality and performance, you know. So I also recorded a 1080p video side by side, so you can just take a look at that. So thank you so much for checking out this video. As always, if you enjoyed, then please give this video a thumbs up. Also share and also subscribe for daily tech videos, for more future content that will come, some more awesome phone related videos. And also, if you have some requests, some specific videos that you guys want to see, do also comment below, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.